I'm Stephen Rogstad, winemaker with Cuvaison. Today we're going to be tasting our 2017 Estate Pinot Noir. Our Pinot Noir really is defined by a couple of features. First, Los Carneros sits right on top of San Francisco Bay, which exposes it every day to the fog that rolls in through the Golden Gate and covers the lower part of Napa Valley. In the afternoon, after the fog is burned off, we're exposed to winds that roll through the Golden Gate and blow across this district. The combination of both wind and fog really help drive the aromatics and texture of this wine. The other feature that's really important are our shallow clay soils. The soils force the wine to really struggle in the summertime to forage for water, and this really limits the vigor of the vine and drives some of the concentration that you see. What I think really distinguishes Carneros Pinot Noir from other districts is we get this great combination between both red fruits and black fruits. The red fruits really represent the acid side of the wine, and the black fruits kind of the richness and the opulence that you find in our Pinot Noir. What we find in our Pinot Noirs typically from our estate is a nice combination of both red fruits and black fruits. So you're going to get some rose oil, some Bing cherry, but also some nice red plum and black cherry and blackberry notes as well. On the palate, as this wine's been aged for 11 months in French oak, you're also going to develop some nice clove and spice characteristics and a little bit of cola and even sassafras notes that blend in with the other flavors of the Pinot Noir. I hope you enjoy our 2017 Carneros Estate Pinot.